looks like a third world country right now, to be honest. Everything will be back in a couple of weeks, I would say. Looks like we have another storm coming, but entire store on sale. On sale indeed. Everywhere you go around the circle, the same photo, same picture. So, all the properties here on the island will probably suffer some major price reductions right now, because even if your property was not impacted by the hurricane, you can still see everybody around you suffering. And there's a bunch of construction sites all around you. So I had a couple of friends, they had listings here on the island, on Longboat specifically. So both of those properties were flooded, 3 feet or so. So basically right now they can't do anything about it. They're just putting the property off market, trying to restore everything where it was before. But the funny part is, once you get off the island, there's barely any trace that the hurricane happened. So once you go outside the island, once you pass the bridge, there's literally no traces there that there was a hurricane. Look at this. Like, Sarasota was not even impacted. People that live in Lakewood Ranch, they haven't even had a branch broken, literally. Look at this, how much of a damage these businesses have to suffer. I would think that everything is insured, but still, just having the business down for, several months. And there's a bunch of water mitigation, power washing companies right now. Contractors are the ones that probably gonna have very good season this year, because having all these properties ready to have their drywall ripped off, they need to replace their kitchen cabinets. Like, literally, the contractors, they will have so much work to do right now. And big thing is gonna be water remediation companies. Everything here needs to be dried out. The mold has to be taken care of, the humidifiers. So businesses, small businesses, I would say that they're going to be having very good season, even though it's misfortunate for all these businesses and houses and properties. But contractors, for sure, they're going to be having very good time.